Hello guys, welcome to this week's analysis. So currently I've got Usdcad with me, and this is the analysis that we had. We wanted to see price trade in here and then give us market structure break, right? And we trade lower, right? On the bigger time frame, I'm actually still in this trade. I've moved my stop loss into break even. I entered somewhere in here. And I also did manage to get a very small trade on the M30 as well, right? Let's take a quick look. Okay, right. So for the M30 time frame, right, I had here. Okay, pardon me. I had right here market structure break. Right, price came back. I got activated. Right, in here, right, there were no fair value gaps below except for this one. And this zone, so I kind of got activated here, and then they pushed a little bit lower, which was fine. Right, they traded higher. As soon as they closed this fair value gap, I took something off, I held, and then they gave me this push. They took me out on break even after paying myself, and then I waited for the bigger move, right, which we had here, lows, right, that were violated when price went down, and then we traded high up. I simply just had to wait for them to trade lower, right, into this zone. The fair value gap right there was my entry. I also was waiting for them to get into this zone. This would have given me a much better entry, all right, but still, nevertheless, this was a very good push up, right? We had a little bit of a rest and another push up, and as well here we're getting a little bit of a rest as well. And I'm still holding for higher prices, but whilst I'm still holding for higher prices, right, let's take a look at the H4 time frame right in here. Okay, I've marked this okay, right. So I've marked this order block here. I don't want to see them trade anywhere lower, right, below the protective lows in here. I want them to just come in here, take liquidity from down here into the order block itself, and then have the power to move up. Right up here, we have liquidity that's resting above here. I've marked the 127.80 80 level, and above it we have the 128 level as well, big figure, and above it we have the 128.500, which are these relatively equal lows, equal highs, pardon me. Right, so this is what I want to see when price trades into the buy entry zone. I want to see market structure breaks on the H1 time frame, most preferably, for another big trade, right, targeting these guys 1, 2, 3, and possibly a close of this fair value gap as well. All right, so this is what I have for you guys on Usdcad for this week.